friends, welcome to Monkey Art. And do you like vegetables and fruit? I love those, they're so yummy, so delicious, and they're super healthy for us. And today we're going to draw one cool character. It's called Tunip, and he is half human and half vegetable. Isn't that cool? So we're gonna use some markers, we're gonna use a piece of paper, and we're gonna use one black marker for the drawing part, and I'm gonna use my rocket marker. Okay, if you are ready, we can get started. So we're gonna make him look something like this. We're gonna start in the middle and draw his little face. It goes like this. Then we have another shape like that. Then we have a little nosy nose because he's so cutie. And we can color mouth straight away black and add one more line just below. Okay, now we can add his eye, just like this. Okay, and then we're gonna add one more white circle and color all the way around. Wow, I'm alive! Yes, you are. Now we're gonna make the other eye closed, like he is winking at us. Just like this. Now he is even funnier. Nice. Okay. Now we're gonna draw the top and the bottom parts of his body. So we have one dot all the way up and one dot all the way down. And then we have another dot all the way on this side and another dot all the way on that side. Okay, so now we need to connect these. Okay, we're gonna go like this. And then we go down. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So we go and then we go down. Nice. Okay, now we're gonna draw him some legs because he has to run. He needs some legs, just like this. And another one will be all aside, just like this. He's looking super cute. Okay, and now let's add one little line just below his mouth, like this. And one hand as well, so he can wave at us. And another hand, just like that. Okay, and now at the top we have something like green stuff, like leaves. So we're gonna draw it like this, and then maybe we can put some more on this side. It's like tiny thin leaves. And there we go. We have completed this drawing. It's super cute, super funny, and I'm really excited to draw it. Okay, now we can go and use our colors and make him even cuter. So I'm gonna use, let me see, wow, this is cool blue color. I love it. We're gonna use this blue to color top of his bottom of his body. So we're gonna go all the way around. Just like like this. And then we're gonna also color his arms. And his little legs. Hello, cutie! Okay, so we have that part completed. Now we're gonna use, oh yeah, his nose is actually also blue. That's interesting. Now we're gonna use our yellow, and we're gonna color the top of his body. Oh, that's maybe head. All of this. Okay, we're gonna all color it in yellow. Yep. This side. Front and back we go. Ho, ho, ho! Okay, let's color this part. And around his nosy, cute little nose. And then this part as well. And there we go, guys. Now we need to color the top part using our super cool green color. So I'm gonna use this part, the thin one, and I'm gonna color it just like that. I love this green color. It's really fresh and it's warm and it's bright. And look at that, we have completed our little character and he is looking super cute. So we love him and he can hold this little heart. And we have also completed this lesson. So we can, oh no, we cannot put it there. So we need to put it on this side as well. Well done, guys, we have finished this drawing. It's looking perfect, it's looking cute, it's looking awesome. And let's see, what can we draw in the next lesson? Something even more exciting. See you, bye bye. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.